This is an inspirational story about a young girl's faith in the Triple Gem and her determination to do meritorious deeds despite her difficult situation.
It all started on the 18th of August 2020 when Swamin Wanse contacted me and gave me this amazing opportunity to offer lunch dana to the Mahasangha for 7 continuous days. I felt excited and grateful. This opportunity was given to me out of compassion and thoughtfulness. There were no words to express how truly grateful I am. When the meritorious Swamin Wanse asked me when it was possible for me to start, I replied that I could start offering dana the very next day.
Knowing this was a rare opportunity to give dana for 7 days continuously, she decided to buy and prepare food for the Mahasangha, despite getting fired from work.
However, my situation was not the best. I was given a termination letter and was expected to leave the company at the end of that month. I also had to order food for dana for 7 continuous days. But it did not stop me from wanting to grab this opportunity. I knew that it was a rare and great merit I would be doing. For 7 days, I had the greatest and most amazing opportunity to pick out the menu I would be offering to the Mahasangha. Although I was eager to order what the monks preferred, the monks insisted that according to the Supreme Buddha's teachings, I should order what I liked. Therefore, in return, I would receive what I liked. I was taught to offer the food thinking that I was offering it to the Mahasangha, so the merit would be much greater. Another valuable advice that was shared with me was to offer the food neatly, present it well with a tray, and cover it with a white cloth.